All right, our Puckery Pear has 1.5 ounces of Midori.
Do you know people have a love-hate relationship with Midori?
Well,
like some people love it, but a lot of people hate it.
Well, we're not going to talk about haters, Stephanie. 1.5 ounces of Absolut Pears.
Oh, I'm excited about this one. I've been wanting to make a pear drink for a while.
All right. I'm going to do my best.
You should probably use the proper top.
Hey! Oh, look at me. I'm a pro.
Let's see if he...
Why is it?
It's hissing at you.
It's hissing at me. I'm sorry.
How's that pro work going? Let's use
You're supposed to hit the bottom, right?
You're not use the right top.
Hey, I got it. Hell yeah, look at that, first time. First time.
Practice makes perfect, right? You got a long way to go.
Tall glasses. All right, you know what we're adding to our Puckery Pear?
No.
6 ounces of Fresca.
So we got melon, we have pear, and we have grapefruit. All right.
The Puckery Pear.
Stir it up, stir it. Smells good. It smells really good.
Cheers, love.
Cheers. It tastes good. Tastes really good. Tastes super good. I think the pear's front and center though. The melon's kind of an afterthought. Wow. Yeah.
I have no words for this drink. This is so good.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Very sweet. Very sweet. I figured that'd be the one thing that you complain about is there's a lot of sugar in it.
But I feel like the grapefruit juice cut through a lot of the sweet. Yes, it's still sweet, but the grapefruit juice is right there. It's like, hey, don't forget about me, and I didn't. Man, this is really good.
And you get the pretty color to go along with it.
And we get the radioactive green.
I'm gonna do that one again.